Hey guys, Dr. Ryan. What if you could fix your posture permanently? Most of you don't realize how bad poor posture really is and the health effects and consequences of that poor posture. The number 1, 6, 4, and 6 leading causes of disability, chronic pain, and eventually leading to a nursing home are all issues related to your posture. It's a little more complex than that, but we're going to skip that. I'm going to show you in just a second is you're going to watch a video, me going through the actual medical protocols that us specialists use, chiropractic physician, doctor of chiropractic, fix and rehabilitate a spine. Infections can be long-term when you put in the correct rehabilitation. They're far better than surgical outcomes. How's that possible? Because it takes a long time to get that spinal correction. Do not try to fuse you in the correct healthy spinal alignment. Watch this video. Hope you guys enjoy.
We're going to go through how a CVP doctor analyzes somebody's posture, spine for a chiropractic adjustment, okay? Even though you're on camera, just be completely relaxed. Good, and then stop, shake your head left and right. Nice, perfect. And then where you think is the center. It's center, so you can already see he's rotated. Just the left. He's got pelvic rotation. You want to start with center midline of the body, starting with the pelvis, the hips, and then you're going to find the center of that, where his sternum is, middle of his chin and forehead. He has his high shoulder on the left. Stay there. On the side, you can see anterior translation if they have forward head posture, which he has significant amount. So the camera can see that's a lot of forward head translation. His whole thoracic cage is shifted forward. His head's even further in front of the plumb line. Sagittally, you would be way off center. And that should be plumb line with his shoulder, AC joint, and his ear, which you can see they each track backwards. So he's standing forward like this, which is a very common posture. What is your main complaint right now?
Low back on the right side into my glute.
You brought an MRI reading, and what did that tell us?
Low back, possibly pinching a nerve, going down into the glute, down into my foot.
Just based on his posture, I could have told you he's got some type of stenosis in his spine. Why? Because forward shifting of his spine, which he does have. They did pick it up on the MRI. Obviously, the next step is to get x-rays. So the point of this is going to be neurology. Your body is going to help correct his posture. It's not going to stay that way, but it will correct it. The posture that he did have, find the mirror image, and then we're going to stimulate proprioceptors and mechanoreceptors to tell his body he's back in the right position. And you're going to see when he stands back up, if he's not back to perfect, he's going to be a lot closer. And then from there, we'll get him back to perfect. So we're going to take your right hip. We're going to put this pillow under here. All right, good. And back down. Kind of bridge up a little bit so I can put this pillow underneath your stomach. All right, perfect. So since your left shoulder was higher, what I do is I take this arm, stay nice and relaxed, and then we're going to pull it down, put it. That'll be perfect. Boom. So you shouldn't feel any pain anywhere at all. This is just neurological input to your body.
Do you know what you should do with this part?
Yeah, or no what?
You should silence it, and you should put the Benny Hill theme song. This thing's going really fast.
What's Benny Hill? Oh, then.
As you're like, and like put it up to like 10 times speed as that thing's like rolling across his back real fast.
Notice I'm not actually adjusting your spine, right? I'm not taking a specific segment that's out of alignment, which I would be able to tell based on x-ray, which is how you get spinal correction. You have to get those segments that aren't moving. I saw that. I at least saw the MRI reading. So I want this to be pretty profound. And the beauty about this is that I could just do an upper cervical stimulation instead of everything that I just did. So come on and stand over here. And I'm gonna have you walk in place again. Now, shit, I mean, look at them already, but let's have you stand here, walk in place. All right, and stop. Shake your head left and right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm gonna move out of the way. Oh my God, okay, now open your eyes. Okay, now can you see a difference?
Yeah.
Okay, now something you didn't see. You might have seen because you know what to look for. How he was walking.
Yep.
What did you notice? Off track.
Tracking.
Okay, correct me if I'm wrong here. What Charlie's saying is his cross crawl reflex was switched. That your leg goes with your arm That is not a good thing to do in the gym. So we didn't do anything. Well, you guys saw what we did. I didn't adjust them. This is why this is part of the medical protocol for spinal alignment. To picture, and then I'll have, his head is still forward a lot, right? You also got to see, we couldn't really do too much because I didn't have props for that. Mess up again, good, stop, shake it out, good, and now turn, face your left. So he's definitely much straighter. We're actually gonna adjust him, okay? Get the crack addicts, let's get the crack addicts what they want. They don't sound like thunder. Get the job done. Thoracic translation, for adjusting them a little bit by accident before the camera came on. So I already got some thoracic movement. We already went through the exam. I want to get things moving properly, as well as I just had a transplant. We want to get things moving, but not kill me, right? Just in general. 2. So as far as like the weight that I'm using and the pressure, does it feel like I'm actually pushing?
Yeah, I'm gonna feel it. Yeah.
I know it's kind of a weird question, but a lot of people don't actually get manually adjusted. Most patients say, like when I do especially when I do the cervicals, our goal is structural alignment. I'm heavy-handed. It's not gonna always feel comfortable. I can do really light, comfortable adjustments too, but that's not what we're going for right now.
No, I definitely feel it.
Yeah, so like, hopefully it shouldn't be painful, but it is like, yeah. Go ahead, what were you gonna say?
No, it's not painful.
Yeah.
I feel it, yes.
Okay, this isn't a comfortable position either, but we're putting it there. There we go, all right, face up. And then I also have an instrument too that works really well with this. But you saw, you saw how light that was, but he felt it moved really well. There we go. And he's got a lot of muscle too, so you got to really feed in. Yeah, like that. Again, probably didn't need a camera to hear that one. Or the mic, do you hear that one? Good.